Are gnats and fruit flies taking over your kitchen? They seem to appear out of nowhere, swarming your fruit, drains, and even your drinks. But what if I told you that a little red wine and a drop of dish soap could wipe them out overnight? Let's dive in today. I'll explain why gnats and fruit flies invade your home, the science behind why they love red wine, and I'll show you step by step how to make a super simple trap with just 2 household items: wine and dish soap. Fruit flies and gnats are tiny but incredibly annoying. They breed quickly, laying eggs on ripening fruit, in sink drains, garbage disposals, or even damp mop heads. They're especially drawn to the smell of fermentation, overripe fruit, spilled juice, and yes, wine. Even if you throw food away, a single female fruit fly can lay up to 500 eggs, so once they start, they multiply fast. Red wine is basically fruit juice that's been fermented. That makes it irresistible to gnats and fruit flies. They smell the yeast and sugar, think they found a food source, and dive in. Normally, flies can land on liquid surfaces without sinking because of surface tension. But when you add just a drop of dish soap, it breaks that tension. So instead of floating, the flies sink and drown. Here's how to make the trap. Grab a small glass or bowl. Next, pour in about half a cup of red wine. It doesn't have to be expensive. Leftover or cheap wine works well. Then add 1 to 2 drops of dish soap. Dawn or any brand will do. Gently swirl the mix so it blends together. Finally, place the trap near the problem area, next to the fruit bowl, near the sink or trash can. Within hours, you'll see flies diving in and not coming back out. Here are some extra tips to make sure you catch those pesky invaders. If you don't have red wine, apple cider vinegar works almost as well. Set out multiple traps if you have a big infestation. For prevention, store ripe fruit in the fridge, empty garbage regularly, and clean sink drains where eggs can hide. Check this out. Just overnight, dozens of fruit flies got trapped. It's cheap, safe, and takes less than a minute to set up. So there you go. A glass of red wine and a drop of dish soap, and your fruit fly problem is solved. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple home hacks, and let me know in the comments what pest problem you want me to cover next. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on destroying all ants instantly using this trick.